Picture someone lurking around your house or factory in the middle of the night without you knowing. In such cases, you need an intelligent, powerful, and wireless security system that monitors every activity. This is the Maizic Smarthhome Photon 4+4 megapixel Ultra HD 4G solar CCTV camera. It's a high-tech security system with 360-degree coverage, Ultra HD dual lens, motion detection, color night vision, and street light security. Many people still don't install CCTV cameras because of the hassle of wiring and electricity. But the Maizic Photon is 100% solar powered. Now, let's talk about its dual lens and dual screen view, which makes it a game changer. Often, normal CCTV cameras provide black and white night vision where details are not clear, but with this, you get super bright color night vision. Do you want to receive only essential alerts? AI human detection technology eliminates false alarms. As soon as any movement is detected, the camera auto-rotates and tracks the person. With one click, you can monitor your home or business from anywhere. If you need a wireless, solar-powered AI smart CCTV camera that works without electricity, the Maizic Smarthome Photon camera is perfect for you.